I've climbed the mountains in Montana, danced in the lights of New Orleans. Portland ran away with me, and San Francisco stayed with me. Nashville made its way in between. Fell in love in Minnesota.
Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package here to open and show you what's inside. I have gotten one thing from them in the past, I believe, and this is my second. They did contact me and they'd said, it's been a long time since we've worked together. And I was like, yes, it is. Would you like to get something else? And I was like, sure, absolutely. So this is from Krafts. Krafts. Like I said, it's been a long time. So let's open this and let's get into it and see what we have. Thank you, Krafts, for thinking of me and, letting me pick out something to show everybody. All right, so you see how it came in that box and then it was wrapped in the white, bag on the outside. So let's get into it. Okay, like I said, it has been a while since I have had a Krafts, and I don't know. I don't honestly remember what it was like the first time. So let's look at it. Anyhow, here's what I can tell you currently is that they have the soft canvas. Their scalloped edges are different. That's interesting. The scallops on most of the paintings are much smaller, you know what I mean? Anyhow, and no poked holes. Interesting. So a little different, but it does have that nice soft back canvas. Okay, let's look at their toolkit. They were very kind and also let me have a code. Okay, hope I edited out what I needed to. I was interrupted. As I was saying, Krafts was kind enough to give me a discount code for you, or a link to a code. So I will put the link in the description box, and that is a discount for you. All right, so let's continue. Let's look at their toolkit. What do we get in a toolkit? So we get our tray. We get a couple of plates of pink wax. Here's another one. So there's two. Okay. We get a couple multi-placers, the fatter ones there. And we get two pens, two sparkly pens. This one has a 3-placer on the end of it as well. And we get a pair of bent metal tweezers and 2 grips, one for each. Oh, look, they're different. Interesting. They have different, like, ribbings. Interesting. Okay, that's our toolkit. All right. So let's look at this painting. You ready to see it? It's a nice size. I like the size. Okay, let's see it. Are you ready? Look at how pretty it is. Oh my goodness, right? It's beautiful. You know me, landscapes, right? And look at the colors. Look at those colors. Wow. So it was just a scene, right? We got mountains. We got all these beautiful colors in the sky. Look at the reds and oranges, pinks and purples. It's gorgeous. Down here, Krafts.com, Krafts brand, Krafts labeled at the top. And then we have 2 legends, one on each side. And they both have a thumbnail picture. There's a thumbnail picture there and one here. So here's their legend on the side. It has 45 colors, and we do have ABs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs, which are listed at the bottom. Let's look at the drill field. Let's look right here in the center at all the pretty oranges. Everything there looks clear. How about in a darker area? Let's go up here. What do we think? Now, you'll notice we have white symbols and black symbols, depending on. Okay, I like the printing of this. Okay, let me show you what the printing is. This is not a pixel printed. This is like a picture printed where we have rounded. So you see that? It's not a solid, like, just one circle. They've got color behind it. Am I making sense? Right? I like this. I like how this is done. So it gives it some more colors behind your symbols. And this is a round painting, so those are going to show, which that's why they do that, right? I love that. I love that. That is cool. Okay, let's look at the drills and see what we get in here. I see like an inventory sheet on here as well, so let's get into it. All right, here is our inventory sheet. All of their products are licensed, by the way. I don't know who the artist is or anything, but everything with Krafts is licensed. It's a 50 by 50 round, and this is just a piece of paper, but I can always take this and run this through my Xyron sticker maker and turn that into stickers, so then I have labels to put on my containers. All right, very nice. So it has the symbol, it has the DMC code, and it has the weight as to how many drills we have. Letters and a few symbols. Numbers, letters, and a few symbols. All right, there's that picture. It's super pretty. I really liked this one. Okay, let's look at drills. And we'll look for the ABs. I'm stuck. Get off there. Get off of there. Okay. I don't normally do this, but I want you to be able to see the colors really well as I hunt for ABs too. Okay. So a blue. Okay, here's an AB. I'm going to set that aside. Another blue. A pink. That's an AB. That's an AB. That's an AB. I found all the ABs. Okay. These were in somewhat semi-order, but they're not any longer. They kind of got rattled around in the bag. Look at that orange. That's one of those pretty oranges. There's some more green, more blues, pink, more pink, more blue. Okay. There's a lot of drills here. A taupe. Look at those. Pretty, 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 pretty. What is on the bag? I'm not even certain. 9.27. I don't know. 1.4 grams. I don't know what all the symbols are for sure. All the stuff on the bag. I don't know. I'll be honest. I don't know what it is. Here's another pretty blue. All that blue background, that sky. Another green. More blue. More pinky salmon colors. Brown. Another pink. Got just a couple more. Just a couple more. It looks like a dark blue, maybe black even. And then a purple and a red. Love it. Okay, that's our colors. Look at all those pretty colors. Here's all of our blues, like for our sky and our background. Here's all the pretty oranges and pinks. We got a little bit of green and some tannish colors. That's our colors. Very pretty. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Now, what are our AB colors? That's the next question. Okay, how do I know what these are? Oh, okay. There's a little number right here at the bottom, like this is number 3, and it says, looks like the labels got like cut off a little bit. So that's 3 on the canvas. It's DMC 163. Okay, so this one is an AB. So it's number 45 on the canvas. See, they got like cut off, like it wasn't lined up properly. So it's 666 AB, and it tells you how many grams. So we got this pretty red. This is number 42, which is a 208 AB. Love that. This is my friend, 550. And then we have a pretty pink, which is 602. Those are our ABs. They're all the pretty, pretty colors. I love it that they're all the pretty colors and the ABs. Love it. Okay. All right. Let's slide these off and we'll flip this over and see where the ABs go. That's what we're going to do. See if we can find the ABs. Okay. So let's start with the first one, which is the 208. Pretty light purple. And it is a like a little up arrow. So I'm going to assume it's like down in here. Yep. In these mountains here. Here. And here. And here. And up in here. And up here it gets darker, so I'm going to assume we don't get a lot up here. Well, up in here we get some still. Oh, there's more than I thought. It goes all the way up through here and over here. Nice. There's a lot of those. Okay, cool. I love it. Love, love, love that. Okay, our next color is the 550. Okay, so the darker purple. And that is an regular arrow, just a regular up arrow. Oh, and it's all in here. Okay, this whole little swath right here is that dark purple. A bunch through here. Nice. This is going to be so pretty. There's got to be more up here, right? There's got to be more up here. Oh, yeah. Here we go. In here. Here. It almost looks blue on the canvas. All of these spots. Here. Here. There's some down in here. Okay, that's going to be pretty. Love it. All right. Next comes the 602, the pink. And it is a little swirly. It's a swirly. Swirlies in here and here. Here. Okay, pink. Oh, yeah. Here. Oh, my gosh. This is so pretty. Here. Here. All these little places. Love it. And then the last one is the 666 red AB, which is an anchor. Where's the anchor? It's in here, down at the bottom. All right, let's go this way for our anchor over here. A bunch through here. Sprinkles in here, little patches of it. And then way up here, there's a whole bunch through here. This is so pretty. Isn't it pretty? I love it. All right, look at how good that looks in that camera too. Check out Krafts, you guys, and I will have my link below so that you can get a discount. I'm not certain. I think it's 10% maybe. But check out the link. Check out Krafts. See what they have. They got some really nice things. So, yeah, this may have been a Krafts developed one. So they have some that are artists and some that were developed by the people at Krafts. So they are all their licensed work though. So check them out. Okay. I love it. It's so pretty. I love the size of it. It's not too big. It's beautiful. I mean, it looks great in the camera. It's going to be so bright and so pretty. I love it. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope you have a great day. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment, all those fun things that you do on YouTube, because it really helps me out. I appreciate it. And check out Krafts. And thank you, Krafts, for sending this. I love it. All right. Talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.